Good morning, this is Aries Creations 2021. This is my weekend reading for all 12 zodiac signs using the Mood Crystals deck and the lovely Animals Oracle deck. The reading starts with Aries. Welcome, Aries. The Mood Crystal for you relates to the intellectual, and the stone is Azurite. The intellect is not limited to any academics or to being book smart. There are many ways where intellectualism can be expressed. Intellectual people, they are said to are good problem solvers. They are very creative and they think out of the box and communicate well and express also a high level of emotional intelligence. So the stone or the crystal azurite is encouraging you to get more receptive and open-minded. This stone opens the pineal gland and helps the brain to rest, but also stimulates you to connect with your not so dominant side of the brain. Now and then, the brain needs to take a rest to again spark enthusiasm for new projects. Your hunger to learn new things will be invigorated and you can better stay focused. The lovely Animals Oracle card for you that came out is the Leopard. And the general message is to unlock your chakras so that your energy can flow freely and you can expand your consciousness. You are the mirror of the movement of your energy, so allow your feminine side to become more prominent regardless of your gender. The Leopard brings the energy of all the chakras and enhances femininity. Your strengths are that you are adaptable, you have agility and an openness to mysticism. Opportunities are that you have a free-flowing energy that is in balance with your body. Weaknesses could be that there might be some lack of feminine energy, and dangers could be that your chakras could be blocked and so getting in the way. That was the reading for you, Aries. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a beautiful weekend. Sending out love. Take care and goodbye.